ये लिखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, प्रीपोजिशन नंबर 1.
हम ये लिखा डैश है आगे.
हाँ डैश है. द डॉग रैन डैश द रोड.
रोड. मैम रोड के आगे अलोन.
क्या है मैम?
हाँ
पोजीशन प्रीपोजिशन.
along फिर along oblique on. along oblique on.
अलोन है और
alone oblique on.
द डॉग. मैम ये क्या है? रन.
ran along the road and on दोनों है. दिख नहीं रहा है क्या आप लोगों को?
रन में रन डैश द रोड.
यस. ये आंसर क्या होगा बोलिए तो इसमें. इसमें आंसर क्या होगा? आंसर क्या होगा? हाँ
मैम ऑन द रोड होगा.
यहाँ पे आंसर क्या होगा? कोई सभी को सभी बोलो. सभी को जिसका जिसका आंसर है सब कोई बोलो क्या क्या होगा. सब बोलो. सबके सुनने के बाद.
मैम क्लियर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा. रन के बाद डैश के बाद दिखाई दे रहा. द रोड है जी.
हाँ हाँ. टॉक इन इंग्लिश, स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, अदरवाइज यू विल मिस द क्लास. क्लास में आकर हिंदी में बोलोगे तो इंग्लिश सीखोगे नहीं.
मैम ऑन.
Yes, on. Along and on. What is the answer? Which is the correct answer?
The dog run on the road.
The dog ran. It will be along. Answer is along. Answer is along. Along the road. Did you write along? Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. Give the correct mark. Yes, like this. Like this you give correction. When it is answer. When your answer is correct.
मैम आंसर क्या है?
Answer is along. A-L-O-N-G. Along. Okay. Complete. Can I go to the next question?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. So next question is. Next question is.
Along means क्या हो गया?
This one you write.
मैम along with the ये क्या है? फ्लोर्स.
Yes, yes. हाँ हाँ.
Not it.
Okay. Just write the answer. Sonu, are you writing answer? Question?
Yes, मैम. ये क्या लिखा? The river flowers.
ये ओन है.
The river flows. F-L-O-W-S. Flows. The river flows dash the bridge. The river flows dash the bridge. So options are on. Another option is under. So what is the answer?
क्या है? ऑन या अंडर?
ऑप्शंस है. ब्रैकेट में ऑप्शंस है. कौन सा आंसर सही है? Which one is the correct one?
ओके बट ऑन या अंडर?
एंड
दोनों लिखना है. दोनों आंसर दोनों लिखो. कौन सा आंसर सही होगा उसमें डैश में लिखेंगे.
ऑन. अंडर.
Yes, very good. Who is telling under? This person is correct. Under is the correct. Under the bridge. On the bridge how? River ब्रिज के ऊपर से फ्लो होता है क्या? ब्रिज के नीचे से ना फ्लो होता है.
सही है.
Very good. Did you write all of you? All of you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question I am writing.
Noted.
Next question I am writing. Next question. Complete this one. Are you writing, Sonu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The work was done dash hassle. So under you have to write only either on or in.
And all of them.
Yes.
In he can on under.
Baake.
Say nicely. See nicely the board. On under where is written?
मैम ओ के ऑन के बाद क्या लिखा है?
In.
इन.
Yes. Did you write all of you answer? What is the answer here? What is the answer here?
In. मैम on.
And rest of you others who are telling answer? Shikha, tell me the answer. Yes, very good. Good answer. It is in. Answer is in. Answer is in. The work was done in hassle. Okay? The work was done in hassle. Did you write the answer, all of you? When your answer is correct, you give the tick mark. And so correction mark you give. Then only your mind will be happy. Next one. Can you see? Can you see properly?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am wrote it. Ma'am wrote it.
Very good. Everybody, Sonu wrote?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jyoti, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So tell me all of you the answer. What is the answer here?
Ma'am, break. What's the wording? Break it. Any off. Off.
He is afraid dash the dog. Off or in? What is the answer? Perfect answer.
Off.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, off. After afraid, off will be coming every day, always. Okay?
A straight off.
Yes. Did you understand? Did you write? If your answer is correct, then you give the tick mark like this.
Take.
Complete. May I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you. So next question I am giving you. Number 5. Number 5 question I am giving. Say the answer. Write this. First you write and then only you tell me the answer. Perfect answer. Yes? Hello?
Mummy, I am found teacher.
Font then dash. Font dash music. And options are in and off. What is the perfect answer?
ऑफ ही आएगा इसमें भी.
मैम ऑफ आएगा इधर भी.
And remaining ones, Aditya, Shikha, tell me answer. Tell me the answer fast. Answer is in or off? Answer is Sonu and Jyoti. Both of you are correct. Off is the answer. I am fond of music. Fond, after fond, off will come compulsory. Okay? After fond, off will come compulsorily. Always it will come. Remind this.
बोला था.
Okay, very good. So I am fond of music. This is the answer. Did you write all of you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.